Step 1. Find screws using a magnet. This will indicate the position of the joists. You can use a stud finder, but if the ceiling is skimmed they don't work that well. Step 2. Screw in a few screws on either side of the crack. This should stabilize the plasterboard. Step 3. Scrape the small groove where that crack goes. I normally use a Phillips screwdriver. Remove all loose skim and paint. Step 4. Tape over the crack with 100 mm mesh tape. Step 5. Plaster over mesh tape with quick dry joint filler. Don't use it too much. Just to cover mesh tape. Step 6. 30 minutes later, scrape off all bumps and lines. Step 7. Plaster over a second time using fine finish plaster. The downside of this plaster is dry time. It takes around a day to dry. The upside is that it is easy to sand. Step 8. Come bath the next day with a new haircut and sand that bad boy down. I'm using a 180 sandpaper, a shop vac for dust extraction and an inspection light. Step 9. Prime plastered area using an acrylic primer or stabilizing solution. This will ensure that the paint dries evenly and the ceiling will have a uniform texture. Step 10. Paint the plastered area over once and the whole ceiling afterwards. Hope you achieved the same results and thanks for watching.